So at the presentation layer, so we are having the data like this. From the application layer, whatever the data, that is L7 data, so that is given to your presentation layer. So presentation layer is L6. We are adding the headers. So what is the main purpose of presentation layer? Encoding of the data, encryption and compression. So data will be presented, compressed and encrypted. Similarly, at the receiver side, it will be decoded, decrypted and decompressed and given to the session layer. So fine. So this is how all the layers will be look like. Physical layer, data link layer. So physical layer transmits the data on the medium. Data link layer adds the MAC address to the packets. Network layer adds the appropriate network address to the packets. Transport layer acknowledges the flow of data, including retransmission where required. Session layer establishes the connection and terminates when no longer required. Presentation layer presents the data to the receiver in the form of it recognizes. An application layer supports the communication between the application over the network. So this is the topmost layer and it is accessible to the user. Here we start, right? So uh, the final layer we have to discuss is about the application layer. So after presentation layer, we will be having the application layer, which is the closest layer to the user. User will communicate with the application layer only. So this is the topmost layer in the hierarchy of OSI ISO model. So this is closest layer to the user, works with the applications, that applications may be used to communicate over the network. So application services are like, you can communicate with the web browser by using the SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, or if you want to have the web browser, you can go for the hypertext transfer protocol. And if you want to transfer the files, then you can go for the FTP, file transfer protocol. So that is clicking on a link on a web page issues a command for the browser to retrieve the relevant information from the internet. So by using the HTTP command, you are typing some information, that is Google, then you will have the data that will be given from the Google to the application layer. So that is converted by the presentation layer. So application layer, as an example, say your computer is the source and host is the website from which you want information. The application layer completes your request and delivers the information to your computer from that web browser. Whatever the data you want, that data will be given to your application by the application layer. So what are the application layer for it will do means file services, email, means whatever the data that you want, that is of type files or emails or networking printing services or application services or database services. So in this class we have learned about the session layer, that is establishing, managing and terminating the connection. Presentation layer is responsible data compression and encryption as well as data presentation. Application layer, the services offered by this layer. So session layer is primarily responsible for handling the session between the services, and it will also regulate the flow of data. Applications, various applications are file services, email services, network printing services, database services. Presentation layer has the functions data presentation, data encryption, data compression. So these are the summary of the OSI layers. So from the top, application layer allow access to the network resources, and next one is presentation layer. So it will translate the data, encrypt the data and compress the data. Session layer, what it will do, it will establish the connection, manage the connection and terminate the session. And transport layer, it is reliable end to end delivery of the packet and error recovery. Network layer, it is responsible for movement of the packets and it will provide the internetworking. Data link layer converts the packets into streams and node to node delivery and flow control and error control. Physical layer, it will transmit the bits, that frames will be converted into bits and that are given to the physical transmission medium, and the signals will be converted into bits, will be converted into electrical or electromagnetic or light waves. So different layers, if we, so from the top, application layer supports the communication between the applications over the networks. Presentation layer presents the data to the receiver in a form it recognizes, that is, already have given an example, Telugu people speaking to Kannada people, like that the application will be having different data that has to be understood by the receiver at the user receiver. So it has to convert the data into receiver friendly format. That is the main purpose of the presentation layer. Session layer will establish the session and maintain the connection, and after transmitting of the packets it will terminate the session when it is no longer required, means that otherwise the sender will keep on sending the data but receiver is not listening. So the session layer responsible for dialogue delivery, that is establishing a connection and maintaining the connection and closing of the terminating of the session. Transport layer, it acknowledges the flow of data including the retransmission where required, that is, if you are having connected or connectionless, based on that, if it is connected between the source and destination, it is reliable. If it is connectionless, it is not reliable. In case of connected, if there is loss of data, we can retransmit the data, but in case of connectionless, we cannot retransmit the data. It will assume that receiver is continue on receiving the packets, it will keep on sending, and the main advantage of it is fast communication. And next one is network layer, it will adds the appropriate network address to the packets and send it over the routers. And data link layer converts the packets into frames and adds the MAC address and logical link address to the packets, and that will be converted into bits in the presentation layer, and that will be transmitted over the transmission medium. The topmost layer in OSI model is which one? Application. Data encryption will be done at presentation layer. Dialogue control will be done at session layer. SMTP, FTP, email services provided by application layer. And the frequency asked question, explain the function of session layer, application layer, presentation layer or OSI ISO models. Thank you all.